Hello Reef Finance holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Reef Finance, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the current price update of Reef. What's the price? What's the price changes occur in the Reef Finance? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, if you are new on my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, as you can see here, the currently price of Reef in the market is about 0.030234 USD dollar. That is the currently price of SLP coin, guys. Other side, if you talk about the price update, so unfortunately, as you can see here now, in the last 60 minutes, the last 1 hour update of SLP is going negative. But don't worry, guys, you know what, Reef Finance is giving you a huge unbelievable profit, guys. The unbelievable pump of refinance is coming soon, so just hold, guys. You have to just hold. You can see last 1 day, last 1 week changes of refinance is completely positive, guys, and I believe, guys, that for a long time refinance will continue this pump. Just let me show you the price chart. You can see, guys, from 14 October refinance start pumping, guys. You know what, at this time, the for 1 day the price dump for short time, and I believe, guys, that now in the last week of October, obviously I'm sure about that, guys, 80 to 90% possibilities that the refinance price will highly pump. So that's why, guys, I recommend for all of you that it's time to hold, not to sit. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.